And welcome back to our garden out here at Channel 3 News. Right behind our garden, well, we've got a lot of roses growing. So take a look at these Donjuan Roses. They are doing very well this time of year. Regular fertilization, folks, deep watering. These guys get watered about every 3 to 5 days, but it's an ideal situation for this time of year to start thinking about planting something if you like something like this. This has been out here for about 10 years or so. Some other things going on in the garden. There's some things that you need to do, and you need to do right away, and that is going ahead and fertilizing a lot of your plant material, especially your trees that are deciduous or are trees that don't get any type of frost damage to them. And one right above them, well, there's a seedless olive right above Bobby right there. You can see that. We fertilize these guys right on the outer perimeter. Now, anything that's frost tender, like your ficus trees, maybe your lantanas, your hibiscus, or anything along those lines, stay away from any type of fertilizer, and for that matter, stay away from any type of pruning. In fact, we don't prune much this time of year at all because of the fact that it makes the plant more susceptible to any type of frost damage. What are we planting? A lot of different types of flowers. In fact, you can see all these flowers right here. Along with the wildflowers that we talked last time, there's a lot of other types of flowers I like to just plant in our garden, especially from seed, our snapdragons and cosmos. These are all our taller type flowers, and the reason we put these in, these are our backdrop flowers. These are ones that grow fairly tall in our garden and do very well, especially come about spring or so. Some other ones, larkspur. There's some bright light Swiss chard. I use that as a foil out in the garden. Along with that, it is a great edible. If you want something that does very well out here in the desert Southwest, lives for up to almost 2 years, it is Swiss chard, and it will go ahead and reseed quite readily. Some other ones we plant, well, there's some cyclamen back here. We've got a lot of shade out here in our garden. If you've got those big areas where you can't really grow much of anything, this is one that will work out real well. This is called Cyclamen. It does very well planted in masses, and it will last all winter long. In behind it, you'll see some kale, some alyssum that attract a lot of our beneficial insects. And I've been getting some emails lately, and it has been all about rabbits. In fact, they've had some real rabbit infestations all throughout the valley. So a couple ways to get rid of them. Well, you can go ahead and put in your bobcat or your mountain lion or your wolf pea. Don't ask me how I get it, but it works out fantastic. You can order this on the internet, and some of your hardware stores here in town carry it. Along with that, well, a little bit of poultry netting, something just to drape over those young vegetables. It's going to be the ideal situation. Everybody's planting those young vegetables, young flowers right now, and you want to go ahead and protect them, because I will tell you what, with the lack of rain we've had lately, rabbits are really going at it right now in those brand new gardens. And Scotty, I gotta say one thing. I brought this in just for one person. I understand she's not here, but when you come back out, would you pick this little package up? It's for Sweet Pea back there. There it is, right there. Dave. My little Sweet Pea's not here today. I was gonna make all kinds of fun. I was gonna actually make her come out and plant these, but unfortunately she's not here.
You might be barking up the wrong tree. I think you're gonna have to do the work for her.
No, Sweet Pea's gotta come out and help me, because you know what? You've abandoned me, dude. Every time I get one segment out of you, and that's it. So Sweet Pea's elected, you're fired. And you know what? From now on, Sweet Pea and I are going to be planting sweet peas.
You can't fire me because I quit you. I can't quit you, Dave.
You know what? I'm going to get it all in writing. I don't trust what you're telling me right now, dude. There it is.
We're sending you two to marriage counseling.
Be careful there, Gina. Back to you guys.
I think she's right.
Oh, Dave.